Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the differentiation of composite functions. Composite function means what basically? First of all, you should know what is the meaning of composite functions. Then only we can do that part. Basically, this is also in a short form we call that chain rule. Okay. So when we'll talk about the differences of composite function, what is composite function mean here is, see, if if I have any function f of x and if we have one more function g of x, okay, so probably you have heard these things fog in relations and functions, the chapter. So if we have function f of x and g of x, okay, so combinedly the composite function will be nothing but fog. It is nothing but f of g of x, okay. So for this function, the differentiation of this function, how to do that, that is basically using the chain rule. What is the meaning of chain rule, how to apply it? Okay, as you can see that what I have done here is differentiation of a fog, we can write as f dash of fog, okay, fog f dash, okay, it means fog of dash. So what I am doing here is, first I am differentiating my f of x function. So as you can see that f dash of g of x, and after that I am differentiating the internal part of that function. It means f dash of g of x and then g dash of x. Okay, so this is what basically differentiation by the chain rule. Okay, let me explain this with some example so that you can get this. So let us suppose I have a function f of x which is nothing but sine x, and g of x I am taking as x square. Okay, so first I will write a composite function of this, means my fog. So fog will be nothing but f of g of x. It means in place of x, this x, I'm gonna substitute the x square. Okay, so sine x square. Okay, so this is my composite function. So if I want to differentiate the composite function, so my fog, differentiation of fog will be fog of dash is equal to f dash of, I'm writing the formula parallelly, f dash of g of x and g dash of x. It means what is my f dash of g of x, which is nothing but sine x square. So differentiation of sine x is nothing but cos x square into the internal part, the g of x is nothing but x square. So differentiation of x square is nothing but 2 of x. So the differentiation of fog comes as 2x cos of x square. Okay, now hope you this thing is clear to you, the fog. Now what is going on next part? Now what is the meaning of chain rule here? Okay, this is just simply, previously also I have done some differentiation like this way only. Okay, so simply I have done this. What is the use of chain rule here? Okay, how to apply the chain rule here? Okay, let us suppose now I will take this in a different function. Okay, now this whole thing, the fog which I have written, I can write in a different manner also to apply a chain rule. Let us suppose this is my function as sine x square. Okay, the function directly given as sine x square. So my fog is given as sine x square. So you don't have to write this fog again and again. You can just write as y, my some function is given as sine of x square. Okay, so how to do this with the chain rule? See what we will do, as you know the sine x differentiation. Let us suppose you don't know sine x square differentiation. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking this function x square as something. Okay, it means I'll take my sine. So x square, if I'll take as t, so I'll take as sine of t. Now what happened here, my y became the function of t here. Okay, means we can differentiate this equation with respect to t. Okay, so if I'm going to differentiate, I'm going to get from here as dy by dt, but I don't want that. I want dy by dx basically. So here if I'm differentiating, I'm getting a dx by dt. Okay, that's very important point. So see, now from the one function I got two functions. Okay, let's suppose find dy by dt. So if I'm going to find dy by dt, it is nothing but cos of t. And if I'm going to differentiate this part, so I'm going to get as 2x dx by dt is nothing but as 1. Okay, now so I can say that my dt by dx is nothing but 2x only. Okay, now what will happen here is I need a dy by dx. As I know, if I'll take the product of these two, okay, dy by dt and dt by dx, so probably you got my point that the dt will be cancelled out, dy by dt and dt by dx, so I'm gonna get the same answer. So 2x cos of t. So as you know that previously also I did the differentiation directly, so I got same thing. So here also I'm getting a same thing. Now t we can substitute 2x cos of x square. So you got dy by dx as same as I have done previously. So this is nothing but my chain rule. If you have 10 functions also, you can assume 10 variables or 10 different functions to solve the problem by the chain rule. Okay.